There's been a brand new secret update to one of the most popular VPN apps for the Amazon Fire Stick. I'm going to go through what the update means and more importantly how you can turn it on your Amazon Fire Stick. But real quick, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Nice, quick and easy video. Let's just jump straight to it. Right, you guys know I've been promoting IPVanish for the last couple of years, and one of the most common objections that IPVanish get is the fact that they're in the Five Eyes. They can hand over the data whenever they need to. That is quite true because under the Five Eyes you have to do that. However, IPVanish don't log anyway, so there's nothing to hand over. But they've just implemented a secret update to the Fire Stick, brand new servers that I'm going to show you. And this is a big deal because one, it eliminates the need for hard drives for the VPN server, and two, it means that it's pretty much near enough impossible for them to collect data because these new servers don't collect anything, and every time the server's restarted, that data is cleared anyway, so it makes it pretty much impossible for any data to be collected. That and the fact they also get regular audits, that's important, and that proves that they don't log. Anyway, they offer fast speeds, and this will make it even faster. It'll make the servers more reliable, more stable, and quicker. Let's just jump on the Fire Stick. Let me show you. Right, on the Amazon Fire Stick, if we head on over to IPVanish app, right, everything is normal. First of all, if you're not using the WireGuard setting, head on over to the settings cog, go down to the protocol, and make sure WireGuard is on. That is not what this video is about though. If we go back right to the home screen and go down to the bottom left where you can choose the server, here we're going to scroll down until you get to this part here, RAM only. This is the brand new RAM only servers from IPVanish. Not only will they offer a more stable and reliable connection, IPVanish are one of the only VPN companies that's going to be RAM only by 2027. And this is a big thing because there's no hard drives, it's reliable, it's faster, and it pretty much guarantees there's no login. So if you're worried about data collection, RAM only servers are the way to go. I haven't seen any other VPN service offer the RAM only services. IPVanish are the only ones I've seen so far. I might be wrong, but I'm pretty sure. So on the RAM only, it'll give you an option of tons of different countries to choose from, and as always, you can add these to your favorite. There we go. I am now connected to a RAM only server on IPVanish. If you haven't got the RAM only servers on your IPVanish app, make sure it's up to date. Scroll down on the server list and you will see the option there. And real quick, if you haven't yet got IPVanish, I'm going to link up in the video description a deal which will give you 83% off unlimited devices, and it'll also include this new feature. Go and get that offer before it finishes. Now, with everything that's going on the Amazon Fire Stick, with them blocking apps, with services being taken down left, right and center, it's important now more than ever to start using a VPN. And one of the biggest comments I see is about using free VPNs. Just avoid it at all costs. They collect data, they're slow as shit. The servers are normally off GoDaddy servers, so there's plenty of logging involved, not only from the host, but from the server company too. And 9 times out of 10, they will be selling your data to earn money. Free VPN apps cost money, servers cost money, and the only reason free VPN apps exist is to generate an income for the developer. I strongly suggest you check out the terms and conditions and avoid using a free VPN if you're using one. For the sake of £45 for 2 years with unlimited devices, super fast speeds and great benefits, cheaper flights, unblocking more content, accessing sport from wherever you are, now is the time to take the offer, 83% off. It's a cracking deal and it's in the video description. Hopefully this video has helped you in any way. If it has, pop a comment down below. I'll be back with another one soon. I'll see you in the next one.